Yeah. Hi to everyone. Hi GPS, Kushal Narsin, Ravin, Sumit, Venkat, Suresh, Ash.
Around.
Yeah, hi.
Hi,
Uh,
are you fine now?
yeah, fine now, right now.
Okay,
Thank you.
good.
Yeah, yeah. Here, last class I am discussing in multi-threading concept. Yes or no, Sumit?
Yes.
Any doubts that concept?
I'm sorry. What was your question, ma'am?
Yeah, ask me.
Hello.
Hello, tell me, Sumit.
Yes. I'm sorry. What was your question?
Yeah, what? Last class I am discussing in multi-threading concept. Any doubts on multi-threading concept, Sumit?
Uh, Not that I remember. I mean, I don't remember everything, but there was no doubt.
Okay, okay. Then the multi-threading concept, one more concept is the synchronized concept. That synchronized concept I will discussing in servlet concept in the advanced Java. Okay now. Then today I will start with collections. Collections. It's a very important concept.
Ram, I
Tell
had
me.
a question from multi-threading. I think at the
Yeah,
end you were discussing some like a picture. There is some arrow. I don't know the diagram.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it would be good if you could just shortly tell the diagram and describe the diagrams because I think I was not clear.
Which diagram? Like a thread to process that one.
Yeah, there are some diagram, I think, yeah, running or run something and block,
Yeah.
if you don't
Like it is
mind.
a memory. Yeah. No problem.
Yeah, I think
It is
from
a
some of the website you are showing there is one diagram, I remember. Um,
process.
that was okay. That was okay. Trading and processing, I think, right? Processor and
Yeah.
trading. This one is okay. I think from some of the at the end of the multi-trading, some of the website from Google, I think you are showing one diagram. Like there are some like connection. I think new.
Yeah.
I remember. And then running block, something I don't remember exactly, but
That is
Yeah, I think
multi-threading.
I think
yeah,
she's
Multi
talking about the life cycle, multi-threading
life
life
yeah,
cycle.
cycle.
life
Yeah.
cycle. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. One minute. Yeah, Tanuj, Tanuj. Hello, Tanuj. It's fine class, okay, na? Okay, అదే అర్థమైంది. PDF ఫార్వర్డ్ చేసొచ్చు. ఓకే తర్వాత మాట్లాడు. Yeah. Here, if you go for any interview, then if any person asks to, what is the life cycle of the multi-threading? What is the life cycle of the multi-threading means the life cycle multi-threading contains total 5 steps: new, runnable, running, terminated, and non-runnable. For example, like a new means it will be take one thread means we can take a group of statements. Okay now, after group of statements, it is a runnable means we are providing the data. We are providing the methods. After we are providing the group of statements to the run method. Okay now, that thread it will be run. That thread it will be run. After that thread is complete execute. The thread is complete execute. The thread it will be terminated. Means the thread is it will be closed. That is the reason. One thread how many times run? Narshit?
I think one time.
Only one time the thread it will be run. It will not run multiple times. Okay now. Once the thread is complete execute, complete running, the thread is terminated. After it will not possible to run. If in case within the thread If any interrupted is there, then the thread is it will be go for a block. Again thread it will be run to first onwards. Okay, now that's it.
Yeah, so in the runnable, so we need to, once there is a problem, it will go to block. So at that time,
Block.
we need to input data again, or it's automatically?
Then automatically the thread it will be come to first onwards.
Okay.
Okay, now means to remove the duplicate problems. To remove the duplicate problems. For example, like right now I have two threads. That's it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Two threads. One thread name is Java, and another thread name is Java 1. Okay, now
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
the Java thread is complete execute. The Java thread it will be generate the output 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now
Okay.
the Java 1 thread again 1, 2 is printed, but to print the 3 automatically interrupted is generated. The value it will be go for block. The thread is block. Again it will be come to runnable method. Again it will be printed means first onwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, I mean, if there is a problem, then how it will be fixed?
Means here user rectify. Here block is nothing but like a syntax exceptions, compile time exception, runtime exception, input parameters are not supported. That is nothing but like a thread problem. Thread is nothing but a group of statements. Statements is nothing but a user defined statements. Are
Yeah.
you understood or not, Narshin?
Yeah, I understood, but I'm saying that if, like, say, there is a problem, like it's printed 1 and 2, and then it's got problem, so it will be blocked.
Yeah.
And then again, it's go
Block.
to run.
Again it will become to first onwards. It will become to first onwards.
Mm-hmm.
What are the printed in before? What are the printed values in the before? The values it will be remove again. It will become to first onwards.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm clear about it, but how it will fix? Because first time it's got problem, so it's blocked, and then again it's
For
go to
example,
run. So how
yeah,
it's again it's fixed?
yeah. For example, like it is a run method. Yes or no?
Yes.
Run after you are providing the run method bodies. It is a
Okay.
thread is right now available. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then thread after it will be run. Okay now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay now. If in case
Yeah.
within the thread I will miss the semicolon button.
Okay.
Okay now. Automatically the thread is executed means running.
Mm-hmm.
Then it will be threader is running or it will be go for block.
I think it's go for blocked.
Block. If in case after to mention the semicolon button, then again it will be error is rectified it in the blocked statement. Then it will become to first onwards. See that resume means first onwards the value it will be start.
So we need to put the semicolon like once it's showing the problems, we need to fix the problem, and then again it's
Yes.
run.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. This
Okay.
because
Mm-hmm.
if user rectify problem, user if you
Okay.
generated any exception, like for example, like within the arithmetic within the run method, arithmetic exception is generated machine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay now. Then now first
Yeah.
value is printed at 10, 20, 30. After come to second line, arithmetic exception is generated. The thread is
Okay.
successfully completed.
No.
Go for black. Again it will become to first onwards. Like again it will be printed 10, 20 and 30 and to remove the arithmetic exception problem within the run method.
Okay.
Is it clear?
So yeah, it's clear. So my problem is if there is a problem happen like a semicolon or some mistake that we have done, we didn't
Yeah.
pay attention, and it is, I mean by mistake it's happened. So then if we see that there is a syntax error, then we need to fix it and then again run it, and it will, I mean, show the output. Okay.
Why means here semicolon button it is a syntax exception. Syntax
Yeah.
exception is a compile time exception or not?
Yeah, I think it's runtime, right?
Runtime. If the arithmetic exception like a null pointer exception, these are the runtime exception.
Mm-hmm.
Okay now. If you can
Yeah,
run
but
any
my
thread
question is we need to when we figure out that there is a problem, we need to fix it. I mean,
yeah.
then I mean it will it will give the right output.
Yeah, simple, simple nothing. For example, like a arithmetic exception is generated. After thread is first it will be run, then it will give the output is arithmetic exception. After the thread is go for block or not?
Yeah, it should go for block.
Block. At the time the user is interactive block statement. What is the problem is occurred within the thread means null point, sorry, arithmetic exception. At the time to remove the 0, then to mention 10 divided by 2 means that is the problem. Rectify
Yeah,
that
yeah.
problem, again the thread it will be start to first onwards.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
thanks. Yeah, yeah.
User rectify the problem, not
Yeah,
any
yeah,
problem
yeah,
is
yeah.
occurred thread.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. And the next one. The next one is collections. Very, 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 very important point in the real time, in the Hibernate, if any technology. What is the collections? The collections is nothing but the multiple threads. The multiple threads. Sorry, not a multiple threads. The multiple objects. The multiple objects converts into a. The multiple objects converts into a single unit object. Single unit object. That single unit object is called that single unit object is called collection framework object. The multiple objects converts into a single unit object. That single unit object is called collection framework object. Okay now. What is the framework means? What is the framework means? Inbuilt architecture. Inbuilt architecture. Inbuilt architecture or ready-made architecture. Ready-made architecture. And one more means what is the advantage of the collection topic means the collection it will maintain bulk of data or multiple objects. What is the main advantage of the collection topic means it will maintain bulk of data or bulk of group of objects. That is the advantage of the collection topic. For example, I come to arrays concept. The array size is a limited. The array size is a limited. But here the group of means the multiple objects converts into a single unit object. For example, like I will take A.Java program, then B.Java program and C.Java program. Then A.Java program contains one object, B class contains one object and C class contains one object. Then we can define one by one object. It is a time taken process. That is the reason. Then simply the A class object and B class object and C class object is converted into a single unit object. That single unit object is called collection framework object. Okay now. The collections framework objects are two types. The collections are two types. The first one is a new collection framework object. The first one is new collection framework object and the second one is old collection framework object. New collection framework object and old collection framework object. The first one is new collection framework object. The new collection framework object are divided again two types. First one is a one-dimensional collection framework object. Second one is two object. One-dimensional collection framework object and two-dimensional collection framework object. First, I am discussing in one-dimensional collection framework object. One-dimensional collection framework object. And the one-dimensional collection framework object contains like a list and set and queue. List, set and queue. Next I am discussing it two-dimensional collection framework object. What is the two-dimensional collection framework means? It is like a map information, map classes. Okay, now that is a two-dimensional collection framework object. And first session I am discussing to new collection framework object. The new collection framework object contains like a old one-dimensional collection framework object and two-dimensional collection framework object. The one-dimensional collection framework object contains like a list to set to queue, and the two-dimensional collection framework object contains like a map. What is a map means? Like a hash map. Okay, now like a hash map, hash set, hash map, tree map, linked hash map. These are the mapping techniques. And what is the listers means? First I am discussing in new dimensional collection framework object. Then finally I will discussing in old collection framework object. Right now I am discussing in one dimensional collection framework object. Okay now. 1 minute. Okay now. Like a list means how many listers are there means array list. Second one is linked list. Sorry. Array list and linked list. And set means hash set, tree set, linked hash set. What is the queue means? Priority queue. Okay now. These are the syllabus about the one-dimensional collection framework object and the one-dimensional collection framework object and two-dimensional collection framework object. Any doubt? GPS?
No, thank you.
Vishal?
No doubts.
Nashin?
Yeah, everything is fine.
Okay, Praveen.
No doubts. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Sumit.
No.
Yeah, thank you. Suresh.
Yeah, no doubt, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
No doubt, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Then right now I will discuss to first one is array list. Okay now. Before I will start the array list, then what is the generic collection framework object, and the next one is non-generic collection framework object. What is the difference between generic and a non-generic collection framework object means? Like a uh, array list A1 is equal to a new array list constructor semicolon. Then here non-generic means array list it is a non-generic. What is the difference between anybody? New generic collection framework object and non-generic collection framework object. Anybody please give me this. Anybody? What is the difference between the two objects? Anybody idea?
Non-generic can only have a string.
Generic means you can pass any data type because there is no any specific database. But the non-generic you can define only string data type. Is it clear? GPS
Yes.
means what is the generic means? It will be support the different input, input parameters or input request. The non-generic collection framework object contains like a only particular input data, that is nothing like a non-generic collection framework object. Don't confuse what is the generic and what is the non-generic means. The generic
So-
it will be supported. Yeah, tell me, Narshi.
Yeah, so in the generic, since it's I mean, it can have any kind of data. So string also, like any sentence or character, it can contain.
Integer,
String type also it can
float,
contain.
integer, float, double string, any data type it will be supported generic collection framework
So
object.
yeah, since it's you said that any data type, so the string type also it will go with that.
Yes, yes, correct. Is it
Okay.
possible?
Okay.
I'm showing.
But non-generic
Then
is
the
only string.
string only. That is the difference
Okay.
between generic and non-generic.
Okay.
Okay, now generic means it will be support to different input request, different input request. But the non-generic collection framework object it will be support to particular input request. For example, like I'm go for program right now. First I am discussing in array list concept. After I am discussing to set to operations. After finally I am discussing to queue operations. Okay now. After this operation is about, then go for two-dimensional collection framework object. Then I will create a one collection topic. Okay. Java project. Next, like a collection 1, 2, 3 collection uh, 6 to 8. Next. It is my project name. Here I will create first one is a list package. Then I will create a list. Within the package, then I will create a class name that is a array list AL. Right now, what is the difference between array and array list? Array and array list. The major difference between array and array list is what is the drawback in the array? That is a limited memory size. Limited memory size. Okay now. The array list is a unlimited memory size. Unlimited memory size. And also the array is a wants to assign size to array, that is a fixed, but the array list size is a unlimited. For example, like a array list a1 is equal to new array list, then I will specify to new. Okay now. Next I will create one more object, new array list string a2 is equal to new array list semicolon. Okay now. Both are interfaces. Array list is a interface. It is a array list. Okay now. That's the difference between generic and non-generic collection framework object. Okay now. Then after like a how to add the data to A1 means it is a separated, means it will be separated different input parameters. A1 dot add method. A1 dot add method. Okay now. I will add it to Java. Next to A1 dot add, then I will pass to SAP. A1 dot add package Oracle. A1 dot add package PHP. Right now A1 object contains how many entries? Anybody? A1 object contains how many entries? 4 entries. Java, SAP, Oracle and PHP. Okay now. Right now here A1 is a collection framework object. Collection framework object. Okay now. And after, in case I will add it to A1 dot add, then I will specify to 45, because also A1 is a generic collection framework object. It will support a different input request. Different input request. Right now A1 contains Java, SAP, Oracle, PHP and 45. Okay now. Like a system.out.println is equal to A1. Okay na? Sorry, then I will run this. Okay na? Java, SAP, Oracle, PHP. It is a elements. It is not a data. It is a elements. Okay na? Then how to extract the collection framework object? Then what is the collection framework object? A1 is the object collection framework object. Okay na? Then next side thing is how to extract the collection framework object. How to extract the collection framework object means using iterator interface. How to extract the collection framework object means using iterator interface. Okay na? The iterator interface contains abstract methods. Interface contains abstract methods. Okay na? How many abstract methods are available within the iterator interface? How many abstract methods are available within the iterator interface means 3 abstract methods. 3 abstract methods. The first one is a has next method. Second one is a next method. Third one is a remove method. Total how many methods? 3 methods. Okay now. Then how to extract the what is the syntax means? Like a iterator I1 is equal. Right now the data is available which collection framework object? That's it. Anybody? Right now the data is available which collection framework object?
A1.
A1.
A1. Yes, correct. A1 dot iterator. Iterator is a method, semicolon. Iterator is also interface, like a import java.util.arraylist. Sorry, iterator. Okay now. What is the purpose of the iterator interface means? See that. Returns the iterator over the elements in this list in the proper sequence. What is the purpose of the iterator method? Here, what is the purpose of the iterator method means? It will provide the particular proper sequence elements to I1. It is a assignment operation equal. Okay now. Then after the total Java, SAP, Oracle, PHP 45. The values are available I1. Okay now. Using while the data is available I1 dot as next. Then after system dot out dot println I1 dot next. See that. Next is a which class method? Iterator interface method. Return type is equal to object. Save. Then here I will comment this one. See that output. Java, SAP, Oracle, PHP and 45. Okay now. Here how to perform this operation means right now A1 content Java, SAP, Oracle, PHP and 45. Then what is the purpose of the iterator interface means? The iterator interface maintains the proper sequence of elements within the list. It will maintain the sequence of elements within the list. Okay now. Right now the iterator interface first it will take Java using A1 address. After the Java value it will provide to I1 variable. I1 dot has next condition is satisfied. Then I1 dot what is the I1 value? Java. Then next method means it will be go for iterator interface again. The iterator interface again it will be take SAP. The SAP it is given to I1. The I1 value is condition is satisfied. I1 is printed. Again, the request is next to go for iterator in method. Then up to how many elements are available within the collection framework object, the total admin elements are, it will be print the iterator interface. That is the purpose of the iterator interface, and using collection framework object to extract the collection framework object using nothing but a iterator interface. It's a clear, everyone? GPS.
So is that like just looping around? That's what the
Yes.
iterator does.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Kushal?
I think the concept is clear. I was wondering if we can can we find these examples online, or is it only like specific, or how do we remember all this? Is a reference of material or something?
Because I will type each and every program in my own concept. It's not available in the internet. If in case I will write any program, then I will take my own language and my own concept. Then I want to only what is array list, how to work the array list. That's enough. I want to only concept. Within the concept, you can define any operations anyone. That programs are not available in the internet. Please remember concept. What's the array list? How to work the array list? How to extract the array list? That's enough.
And
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah, tell me, Narsin.
In the command like while I1 dot has next, what
Yeah.
it is doing? What is checking?
Okay, 1 minute. I1 dot has next. What is the method? Which class method that one, Narsin?
Yeah, since it has next, so what is the, I mean, what it is doing here? I mean,
Here,
it seems
what
that
is
it's
the
checking
return
first.
type? What is the return type here?
Boolean iterator.
Iterator is a,
Iterator.
as next is a, which class abstract method means iterator interface, and return type is equal to Boolean.
Okay.
Okay, now Boolean means that right now the I1 variable contain value or not. If the value is available, the condition is true, the value will be printed.
Okay, so it's checking whether the value is available or not.
If the variable is not available, the loop is not satisfied, then it will not
Oh.
execute the system
Okay.
dot out is equal I1
Okay.
dot next.
Okay, I got my answer.
Okay, now.
Thank you.
Okay, Praveen.
No questions.
Sumit.
So with has next, we always have to use next.
Yeah, no. As next is it will be loop generation, condition checkup chapter. It's like a true or false. The next method is nothing but a, see that. Next method is returns the next element in the iterator.
Okay.
See that. Returns the next element in the iterator. The next method it will forward the request to the iterator method.
Okay.
Okay, now the request, the next method request is forwarded into a iterator interface. The iterator interface, it will be take another entry, then another entry to provide into I1 variable. The condition I1 variable is available or not. The I1 variable is contain value, then it will be printed. Again, the request it will go for next. Up to how many entries are available within the A1 object address, the total element it will be printed to while condition.
Okay.
Ram, I got a quick question.
Yeah, tell me, Praveen.
Can you loop multiple objects on the same iterator?
Then after like a sorting technique is there. After I will discussing sorting.
Okay.
Then multiple objects like a student or product to multiple objects is the real-time project. In the map interface, then I will discussing that location like a.
Okay.
For
Thank you.
example, like a one product like a Praveen.
Actually, that was not me. That was GPS.
Sorry, GPS.
Yes, Ram. Sorry, I think I muted.
Yeah. Okay, here right now in the real time using nothing but a Pojo class. Then how to define the Pojo class, how to interact the Pojo class to array list, how to perform the like a real time implementation in the arrays concept or like a sorry collection topic in the real time. I am discussing the sorting technique, no problem. Okay, now.
Okay.
Tell me, Sumit.
No, no question, but I was just wondering what is the significance of using this?
Means,
Like for
for
example, if
example,
you
for
give
example,
multiple,
like a, for example, like a, in our college is there. In our college content like a multiple students there. Then multiple students like contents like a exam marks. Okay, na each subject. Okay, na
yeah,
like a that one is also leave it. For example, like a one data set is there. Data set is nothing but the data set it will maintain the bulk of data. That bulk of data is contains duplicate values are there, string values are there, and like a float values is there, and integer values is there. Then how to transfer the data one location to another location, one object to another object? That is nothing but like a collection topic. Collection is nothing but a group of elements, group of collection objects. Okay, now. For example, like a Facebook. Facebook. If the Facebook, every person registration page is there, username, password, and Gmail. If the username contains like a string values are available, integer values are available, float values also you can give username, no problem. Then compulsory it is not specify the string is a Hyderabad and string is a Java. You can specify the any name. Okay, now like a different input parameters. The collection topic, the Facebook project, how to catch the, how to store the input parameters come to registration page.
okay,
It's a clear, Sumit.
yeah,
It's a clear too.
yes,
If the Facebook registration page is there, within the registration page, one person is give the RAM ready, another person give the 12 value integer value, another person give the like a float value 12.5. These are different input parameters. After submit button is over, the input different input parameters. How to store the Facebook database? It is a different. Okay, now that is nothing like a collection framework object. Okay, now.
okay,
Okay, now next.
yeah.
Yeah, next. Like
And
a simple means tell me, Praveen.
Yeah, I'm a
yeah,
little confused in line number 21. You have like iterator I1 equals to A1 dot iterator, right? So what's I1 doing there? Can you explain
Here I1
what's
is a iterator interface variable, Praveen. Iterator is the interface and iterator interface class variable is a I1. You can give anyone, not a I1, Praveen.
No, I got that, but why do you need a variable? Like you are
Why
using the
means
method iterator, right? Iterator is
okay.
interface, you said, right?
Yeah, one
So
point. Here iterator is a method. What is the purpose of the iterator interface? It will be catch the sequence of elements within the list, yes or no?
right, yeah,
Okay, now after the total data is captured to the data is provided into a I1. The what is the purpose of the iterator? To extract the collection framework object or not?
yes.
Okay, now once the value is available within the I1, the iterator interface, the value will be print within the program.
Okay,
Okay, now why we are transfer the value? Why to transfer the data A1 object into I1 means using A1 object it will not possible to extract the collection framework object. That is the reason. How many entries are available within the A1 object? The total entries to pass into a I1. Using I1 to extract the collection framework object.
okay, I got it.
Is
Yeah,
it clear?
thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, then java.iterator. Okay, now then go for iterator. C drive, Java folder, JDK, src, java dot itil dot array. Sorry, iterator. See that as next method, return type is equal to boolean. Next method and remove method. How many methods are? 3 methods or not? Harshin.
Yeah.
Okay, totally iterator interface contains 3 methods. Okay, na? Has next and remove methods.
Yep.
Okay. Next, if in case, then
Ram,
first I will
one second. Sorry to interrupt.
actually tell me.
Suppose if there is a list of say Java, comma SAP, comma Oracle, or PHP, comma 45, can that also be? Uh, can that example, like, I mean,
That also then it will be supported like a comma 78 comma. It is also string or not? It is also string.
sure, okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, now right now, then first I will take like a a1 dot clear. What is the clear is a method of which class? Rashid?
Yeah, it seems the error list.
And return type is equal to void.
But
Okay, now then here end of this one. Array list. Okay, now what is the values? Where is the values? What is the clear method means? To clean up the object. The total A1 object is not available. Means clear means the total it will be deleted automatically. The total data. That is the reason. It will give the end of the array list. See that? End of the list. What is the clear mean? To clean up the collection framework object. Okay, now next one. Like a1 dot remove. Then I will give the index value is equal to 2. Semicolon. The index value starting with 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the oracle is insert. Oracle is delete. Okay, now oracle is deleted Java, SAP, PHP and 41. That is the remove method based on index value. Remove all like a1. Okay, now the clear method and remove all method. See that. It is also the total data is remove. The total data is remove. Next one is here. Then I will specify to space a1 dot get index. I want to index value 1. What is the index value 1? SAP 0 and 1. Then in case I1 dot set to I am passed to index value 1. Then what is the output? Guess anybody. I will insert it to set to 1 is equal to hello. What is the one position here? Narshin?
yeah, I think Java will replace the hello.
Java or SAP? Index value starting with 0 or 1?
Oh, okay, okay. So then one is SAP. So SAP will replace with hello.
Replace because it is an array. Okay, now it is replaced to SAP.
Yeah.
Okay, now then the drawback is I will discussing in the linked list concept. Here I need for any additional memory. The JVM provide any additional memory or just it will be replace the memory.
I think it just replaced. No, no, no.
Okay, now there is no any additional memory. Yes or no?
Yeah, no, no. There is no additional memory.
Yes. Okay. Like a1 dot. Then add index. Okay. A1 dot add index. Then I will index as 2. Then I will specify to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Then I will specify to 4. Then I will specify to high. So then I will specify to Hello. What is the exception? 45.
Yeah, I think with 45 it will add hello. Like it will
Because
be 45 and hello.
because the array list is a unlimited memory size or not? Narsin.
Yeah, it's unlimited.
Because total how many indexes are available? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay,
Yeah.
now then within the 4 we are inserted into a hello.
Mm-hmm.
Okay now, because the array list is a unlimited memory size. Okay now, in case I will specify to, you can adjust to next I will add it. Next. System dot out dot println a1 dot and a1 dot is empty. What is the return type and is method is empty method is a which class method? Narsin? Narsin.
Array list?
Array list and return type is equal to
Boolean. Boolean.
Boolean. What is the empty means? The A1 is object is empty or not? The A1 object is empty. Hello?
No, it's not empty.
Oh, okay now. Right now in case A1 dot clear. Right now the object is empty.
Yes.
Okay now. The condition is correct. Okay now, true. Means what is the purpose of this one means? For example, like a project contains multiple programs. One class object you can define another class. One class object you can define another class. You don't know that object is contain data or not. Okay now. At the time simply you can using is empty method. Okay na Narsin?
Yeah.
Okay na. Next. Then I will mention clear. Then after system dot out dot println a1 dot remove index, remove object. Like what is the size? How many entries are available? That is
It's
total. How
5.
many entries are available?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is like a length. How many characters are available in the string as well as how many entries are available within the array list means totally 5 entries are available. Okay now. Okay, it's clear. Then here I will comment this one. Then here I will specify to what is the meaning of this one? That's it.
We need to put some string character here.
Only the iterator interface it will be support a different input parameters. But
Yeah.
once to assign value to iterator interface, the iterator interface it will be accept only string value. It will not accept it to integer and float value. Yes or no?
Yeah.
See that one. But Java, SAP, Oracle and PHP after it will not display because here string type. But 45 is the integer value. I don't understood. Narsin.
Yeah.
Okay now. Here that is nothing like a then to remove the string method. Right now, Narsin,
Yeah.
it will be support, yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah. It should support. Yeah.
Because the iterator interface it will be stored multiple input parameters. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, then here I will create one more. Here this order is a any ascending order or descending order. It is a random or only insertion order. Only insertion order. Hello? Narsin.
Yeah. What you are saying? The ascending order, descending order.
Like
What
a
is-
the array list it will be generated the output in the form of any ascending or descending order. The only it will be the only insertion order. Insertion order means whatever insert the data is as well as the data it will be print the output.
Yeah. This is what I think that how we will input it's going that
The
way.
same value it will be provide the output because
Yeah.
the array list values it will be support only insertion order.
Yeah, Ram, I have a question. Like some of the comment you say, you just write that A1 dot set A1 dot add, and sometimes you write system out dot println A1 dot size. So like what I mean, how do you know that the size we need to write system dot out dot println on when we know that is A1 dot set?
Then simple A1 dot size, then simple array list. That's enough.
Like you said, A1 dot is empty. So
Is empty in case
yeah,
A1
like
dot
sometimes
is
you have the command like A1 dot set A1 dot add, and sometimes you have system dot print or dot println. So I think if we want to like directly get the output, then we should use it. Yeah. Yeah.
What's the no dot? What's the no dot, Narsin?
No, actually, I was thinking that sometimes you have written the command line is A1 dot set A1 dot, and sometimes you have like system dot out dot print and then A1 dot size or is empty that command. So I was just thinking why we have the different
Because
style.
it's a
Yeah,
confusion.
I
That
think,
is the reason I will
yeah,
show
I
you the
think,
output. I will comment this statement.
yeah, yeah.
The next one, like A2 dot, one more. And the array list values are displayed in the form of insertion order, Narsin. After that, I will display the Java. Right now, Java is a duplicate value or not?
It's duplicate.
Okay, now the array list it will be supported duplicate values. The array list it will be supported duplicate values. Java and Java. Okay, now next. Here then I will provide to A2 dot add 1 2 3. A2 dot add 4 5 6. A2 dot 7 8 9. Right now, A2 object contains 3 entries and A1 object contains like a 6 entries. Okay now. A1 dot add all A2. What is the meaning of that statement? Anybody? Hello?
I think after A1, all the data from A1, it will add,
One minute,
it will be the output from A2.
Nursing. 1 minute, nursing. 1 minute, nursing.
Yeah.
ఓకే ఏమది చేయడం సరే ఓకే సరే అదే క్లాసులో ఉన్నాను ఓకేనా అమ్ముంది here what is the meaning of this statement, Narsin?
I think after it printed all the input from the A1, it will print the output from A2.
The total A2 object contains how many data? The total data it will be provided into a A1 object. Okay, now what is the add all method means? How many entries are available within the A2 object? The total entries to added into a A1 object.
Yeah.
Is that output? Java, Chapu, Oracle 1 2 3.
Yeah.
But I am extracting only A1 object. I am not using any location A2 object. Like here I am using A1 object. Then A1 object contains like a Java, Chapu, Oracle, PHP, 45 and Java, as well as the total A2 data. How many entries are available? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The total data directly it will be provided into A1. Okay now, using A1 address, the A1 address contains A1 data plus A2 object data. The total it will be perform the iterator interface. What is the add all method means? How many entries are available within the A2? The total entries are to provided into A1. Is that clear?
Yes.
Is that clear? GPS?
Yeah.
GPS?
Yes. Thank you.
Kushal?
Yep, clear.
Yeah, thank you. Nasin, is it clear? Praveen?
Yes, it's clear. Thank you.
Thank you. Sumit?
I have one question, ma'am. Like,
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
if we do like if we give set command, can we set
What?
like
Which
using
will
set
set method?
set method? Yeah.
Set. Yeah, okay.
Can we set integer as a string or string as an integer and vice versa?
No, 1 minute. What is in that? Like a1 dot set. Then index values I will take 5. Okay.
Yeah.
Then what? 45.
Index
No,
value.
yes or no?
Yeah. For example, if you do that.
Then the data is added to which class object? A1 class or not? A1 object or not?
Yeah.
A1 is a which one? Generic collection framework or non-generic collection framework object?
Generic.
It will be supported input parameter 50 or not?
It will. Yes.
Okay. In case I will provide to A2, it will be supported
No.
because it will be supported only string type.
String. But if we add when we are adding values to A2 method, we are also
Yeah.
adding and they're getting added.
Data type.
Yeah. For example,
Like
A2 we
I
have
think that it will if we put A2 for the set, it will not go because we are changing fifth item, but there is no fifth item. That's the reason.
no. No, Sumit. Sumit,
yes.
that is not suitable.
Mhm.
Okay. Doubt means like a right now A1 object contains like a generic collection framework. Okay, na? Then A2 contains like a non-generic collection framework object.
Yes.
The A2 generic collection framework total data is in the form of string type or not?
Within is it string?
But your voice is break, Sumit.
Assuming when we like within quotes 1, 2, 3, do we consider that as a string?
Yeah, string yes or no, double quotation is there.
Double quotation, okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. Yeah, I was confused. That's fine.
Okay.
Yes.
Without double quotation, that is a string. Without double quotation is a integer value simply.
Yeah.
Okay, now that is nothing but like an array list. First point is the array list will be supported duplicate values. The array list values it will be generated in the form of insertion order. Insertion order means whatever insert the data in the collection framework object, that same data it will be printed the output. Then what is the iterator interface means? The iterator interface is a interface. Using iterator interface, it will be extract the collection framework object. Okay, now. And here one more I am using list iterator. List iterator. The list iterator, it is also interface. It is also interface. It is also interface. The list iterator interface contains 4 abstract methods. First one is as previous. Second one is previous. Next one is has next. Next fourth one is next method. Fifth one is sorry, not the remove method. Totally 4 abstract methods. Right now I'm go for array list concept. Then I will comments to up to like I will comment this one. Here I will creating the list iterator. List iterator L1 is equal to A1 dot list iterator semicolon. list iterator is also interface. Java.util.list iterator. Okay, now fourth line. Then after while condition, while L1 dot has next, like a L1 dot next method. Then after system.out.println, system.out.println. Then after while L1 dot has previous, like a system.out.println as dot L1 dot previous. What is the output? 1 minute. What is the output? Rashid?
Yeah, I can see it's printed twice, and the first one is ascending order and second one is descending order.
Descending order. Yes or no? Forward direction and backward direction.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Means what is the difference between what is the difference between what's the difference between iterator and list iterator interface. What is the difference between iterator and list iterator? Means both are interfaces. Using iterator interface, using iterator interface, you can perform only forward direction. And also the iterator interface contains 3 abstract methods: add next to, next and remove method. Using list iterator interface, we can perform forward and backward directions. Okay, now the list iterator contains like a 4 abstract methods. Sorry, 4 abstract methods. The list iterator, then go for list iterator. Then I will open list iterator interface. As next, as previous, next index, and next index also there. Okay, set method and here if in case like a while dot L1 dot has sorry like L1 dot next to index. What? 1 minute. Means java.util array list interface because list iterator contains like a as next to, as previous, returns the index of the element would be written by subsequent call to next. Okay, now returns the size if the iterator is the end of the list. As previous means returns the index of the element would be written by subsequent returns by -1. The index element would be written by subsequent by call preferences. So, next index. Set also there. Okay. 1 minute. I will add it to next index. Next index value is equal to 0. Yeah, okay. Yeah, see that Java is a 1, 0. Java index value is equal to 0, and before then here, then I will mention to index value. Okay, now the value is displayed. What is the output? Okay, now only 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 totally. If you want to previous index, like here, then I will specify to system.out.println L1 dot previous index. It's a clear. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 indexes are there. Reverse means previous index 8 to 1 totally. Okay, now it's a clear. GPS.
Yes.
Kushal.
Yeah, the reverse part I didn't get. Where is it doing the reverse part? Like, I mean, reverse index?
Here, Praveen. Here, Kushal.
Okay.
Here it is a as next to index value. After printed value, the value it will be printed reverse, like as previous and previous. It is only space purpose. If in case 1 minute, I will comment this one because it is a large data is there. I will comment this one. Sorry. Okay, now it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 index value and 5, 4, 5 means it is nothing but like a forward direction as next to, and it is a backward direction previous methods. Okay, Kushal.
Got it.
Arshim?
Yeah, can I see the program, the whole program, just one time?
Okay.
Could you please go down?
Yeah, down. That is a close.
Okay, stop here.
Okay, Arshim?
Yeah.
Okay, Praveen?
Yes, clear.
Okay, thank you. Sumit?
Yeah, we in the we are already defining system dot out dot println and we are giving next index and next methods. Then why are we giving like on line 54 and 55 and 64 and 65, like 63 and 64? What
Like
are
spaces, just
okay? Okay,
spaces, like operation between spaces, understanding format only.
got it.
Okay. Suresh?
No doubts, Ram. It's clear.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
Yes, clear.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now. Then today I will finish only array list concept. Then tomorrow I will discussing to list two. Then most aptly today I will finish the tomorrow maximum to finish the list two. Array list is also over. The remaining means one dimensional collection is the tomorrow is over. Then two dimensional collection framework object and old collection framework. Then day after tomorrow I will finish. After once the collection topic is over, then I will start with the advanced Java like a JDBC. Okay, now. Day after tomorrow means sorry, like today is 26th, 27th, 28th means so IST time is 29th. The advanced Java is will start. Okay, now. Vishal. Vishal.
Uh,
Vishal. Yeah. Then I will leave the class because if in case I will start the linked list, but it is not finished this time. It is not sufficient this time. Then tomorrow I will finish the one-dimensional collection framework. Then I will try to complete the two-dimensional collection framework object. Within 2 days, the core Java it will be finished. After then, I will start with advanced Java. Okay, Vishal.
Ram,
Then tomorrow,
we haven't got the the note you were supposed to send. We haven't got that yet.
because frankly means Kushal, what I'm discussing in the class, and this material is not available in the any internet.
No,
Because
no,
I
no.
will
Last time you told that like like a week ago you said that you're gonna forward some kind of note for us.
yeah,
Like
already that
reference.
material is forward to Vishal. Vishal, please ask to Vishal means I will forward the material.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Then thank you, Vishal. Then tomorrow same 6 o'clock I will start the session. If there is sufficient time, is then tomorrow I will try to finish the two-dimensional means map operations also. Then I will try to complete that concept. Then tomorrow same time 6 o'clock I will start the session. Sharply 6 or 6:10 I will start the session. Okay now. Everyone be ready because if you can go for any interview, the technical person compulsory to ask the collection topic. Okay now. Also you are mentioned the experience. That is the reason if any experience compulsory should be access the technical round collection topic. That is the reason I am discussing to very clearly each and every concept. It's a very step-by-step process. Okay, Narshin.
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Tomorrow same time I will start the session. Thank you to everyone. Thank you, Vishal.
Thank you, Ram.